I Got My Brand on You from Muddy Waters. Okay, so this is a pretty basic song. It's going to use, well, first of all, it's a 12-bar blues in A, shuffle. It's got these like really cliche type of licks or type of riffs. This is sort of like right out of Blues 101, so to speak. You're just playing two notes on the A and D strings. So actually the A string is open, and then you're going to start here on your second fret. And you can use a little bit of palm muting. Just get that nice little crunchy kind of sound. The key to making it sound good is just playing it tight, you know, get into the rhythm, tap your foot. You know, make sure you get the right tempo. Sometimes it's good to listen to the track and then, you know, just get the groove in your head. You know, something like, I got my brand on you. Now there's different ways to do these kind of riffs as far as like which notes you're hitting and on which beats. This particular song, it's the main idea is like this. You're gonna go like fifth, sixth, sixth. When I say fifth, I mean this note. So you're root fifth. The harmony's like root fifth and then root sixth, and then eventually we get up to the root seventh. So let me just say the name of the harmony note. So it's like fifth, like in a shuffle feel, like bump, 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 bump. So like fifth, sixth, fifth, sixth. It does that like back and forth, like so fifth, sixth, fifth, sixth, then seventh, or you could say seventh, sixth, five, sixth. So let me just do it super slow. So that probably wasn't even rhythm, but let me just do a little bit faster so I can even feel it. So like. 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 6, 6. So up to speed, you know. Now, on the one chord, what I actually like to do is I'll do a full 4 bars of just 5, 6, 5, 6. Then I'll do that riff. So it's something like this, you know. I got my brand on you. I got my brand on you. Then you go to the 4. I got my brand on you. Back to the 1. I got my brand on you. So far what we did was we just went back and forth 5, 6 on the first 2 bars. Then we did this pattern 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 6. Go to the 4 chord again 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 6. And when I say that, I mean off of the D note now. So back to the 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 6. And then on the turnaround, you can just play your normal like E7 chord, D7, A7, or I'll just play this like kind of A major, and then I'll play. So that's like a sort of a partial bar chord, top 4 strings, A major. So 7th fret, 6th fret, 5, 5 with this finger, and then I'm just going to kind of keep holding the A chord and get my pinky up here on the 8th fret of the B string, which is the 7th. So it kind of turns the A into an A7. and then finish it off with an E7. So we just play the turnaround again, and then I'll play the whole thing again. So let me play the whole verse again, and just pay attention to how when I first on the first two bars, I'm not going up to the seventh. It's just going to be. So it's like 5, 5, 6, 6, and then I just do that 4 times. So 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 6, and then I do. So let me go through the whole thing, and then we'll go over the intro and the outro. All right, so I got my brand on you. 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 Ain't nothing you can do, honey. I got my brand on you. Something like that. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let me just do that turnaround one more time. Something like that, right? You can do that. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, now the intro is going to be something like this. You could either play it here, or you could play this, like, but the point is, you hit 2 notes here. So I got this little shape. Now I play these 2 notes separately. This is 10th fret of the B string, and then 8th fret on the high A string. And I slide it up, and I sort of slide this up, and then 1 more fret. So. Let's just go over that real slow. Whoop. So that's the first part of it. Well, and then let's see. So then you go to the G string, 9th fret to 12th fret. Or 12, actually you start on the 12th, pull off and back. And then that's high E string, 10th, 12th. Let's see. So this is like kind of a little mini sweep here with this pick hand. So 12th fret, 13 with the pinky, and pull off to the 9th. And then the rest is just pentatonic. This is like little tug or mini bend here. So this is like 13, 10, and 12, 9. When you get to this E note, you can play the low open E string. So the whole thing. I got my brand on you. Okay, one more time, slowly. Now at the very end of the song, you could do something like this. So real basic pentatonic lick just on the 10th fret. And you can bend up. And then into an A7 chord. So, Ain't nothing you can do, honey. I got my brain on you. One more time, really slow.